just exploring. Our parents said we shall. Oh, is that one taking off?
Nah, he's landing. So the green plane, the Aer Lingus plane, came in from Dublin to Ireland.
Cool.
And Virgin Atlantic came in from Heathrow or Gatwick, I don't know which one.
Where did that one come from?
Which one? That's Aeromexico. That came in from Mexico City, I believe.
Wow.
Yeah.
Small though.
Yep. It's a pretty small plane for such a long flight.
Yeah. Oh, everyone's turning around, going back to the gates.
There's another plane. Assuming it's landing. Can't even tell what. One landing and one taking off. No, don't go behind the friggin' building. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Where did it go? Oh, nope, there it is. Taking off over Revere. So I guess they're using two runways for takeoffs today. That American plane right there came in from Paris. It's going to continue on to Los Angeles, I think.
Is that one taking off?
Washington, D.C., I'd assume.
Southwest over there.
Oh yeah, that's going to Terminal A. We've flown on that plane before when we went.
What's that small plane?
Which one?
That one.
Oh yeah, that's Cape Air. Yep. Cessna 402, I think.
Awesome. What's this plane in front of us with the head thing?
Alaska. The split scimitar winglets.
I'll go up one more.
Yeah. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Look at up. United 757.
There's a lot of wind up here.
Yeah. It's probably going to Chicago or Newark or some other. Oh yeah, United 737 with the split scimitar winglets. Oh yeah.
Look at the dust coming up.
That's the friction of the rubber and the...
Brakes. I think we should start heading down now.
Yeah, we probably should. Alright, let's go. Well, yeah, I know, right?
How does it even get up? How does it even get up? It just blows my mind that somebody actually...
This is the general boarding call for Keepers Flight 1837 service to Bar Harbor, Maine. Not boarding to Aeromexico 27. Once again, flight 1837 service to Bar Harbor, Maine. Not boarding to Aeromexico 27. Request to all State Express customers. Please make your way this time.
Oh, we want to talk about vaccine. So you don't know how many people were like fact that you weren't there disappointed a lot of people. I got asked that a lot. Your next impact number, she was by far the best. But it was literally. You see the pictures I sent? It's CG, by the way. That's not what was killed. That's not what was killed. He's the conventional I forgot. I was very frustrated by that. No, it was in my bag. I just didn't buy like you're getting ready so fast. We ceremony started at 5 and we got at the hotel at like 3:10. Did you see the panorama shot I sent you? It was kind of like basketball from final.
I'm considering calling this Jennifer Doll. You know, we are traveling more than ever, but we're not necessarily happy about it. It's what most agony filters sorts flights by combination of price, shortest length, and fewest layovers. Visual flight schedules are far the easiest to read. You can even integrate your Google Calendar to find flights that don't conflict with your son's baseball game.
That's true. You know, this is going to go for another year and more, so we'll see where it goes. Just gotta make it through the next couple of months with all these extra things. Sorry, man. Avocado. Okay. Well, I'll show up then. Assuming this flight takes off. Cool, man. I'll talk to you soon then. So there's an extra step in the middle compared to what we were doing before, where I'm pushing for this tempo, this updated tempo, where we're flying every week. And what Stanford had suggested is every other week there's a kind of a bigger effort where there's a whole system level integration development flight, like what the FTC did before. And then in the off weeks, there's issues there's a week separated. And we identified different combinations of subsystems specifically that we would test in these until we put together something. So, anyway, that's my 3-minute debrief. I think this Frank talk maybe had something to do with it, but Brad and I were remarking on how unified the people in the room were. Like, I very carefully talked about how Air had structured things for the unit testing compared to where we want to go for the integrated unit testing. And they were very receptive to it. There was no animosity or showboating or anything like that. It was surprisingly smooth. There was a little bit of friction, but it was very minimal. So at least that was my impression. We'll see where it goes in the next couple of weeks. And I was clear. And everyone laughed. I said, I'm only a little bit joking. Seriously, if you're looking for a job that's right where you're at, it's not fine. Anyhow, cool. Well, yeah, it's going all right. I'm frankly glad to be back in the saddle a little bit. Better to sit on the couch. All right, I'll talk to you. Bye.
That landing really stunk.
Yeah, did you?
And on the way down, the landing and the part where I was reaching around after the landing, and I cannot hear. So really hard.
That's what a typical Boston landing's like.
My swordfish, shrimp pie.
Warm sugar.
I want to buy miles to